Hello everyone. Let's get started. Today we'll be discussing on how to create tables, how to create items on tables. So how do you do that? Let's start. But before then, we'll have to discuss what a row is and what a column is. A row is what you have as horizontal line like this. The A1, B1, C1. All these are rows. So if you look at what we have here, the item, quantity, price, dates are all on a row. Why the columns we have here, we have from A1 here, A2 here, A3, all in here, in vertical lines are called column. So now let's check so that to be sure you get it. So this here you have B4, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8 are all on a what? Did you want to guess? Oh, yes, that is what column. But what you have here, item, quantity, price, date is called what? Row. Yeah. So now let's go back to what you have here, the notebook, 10, 20, 50, all these are called rows. So in each of a row and column, do not forget I've told you earlier that we have when you have combination of a row and a column, you have a cell. Yeah, so in each of the cell here, we'll be discussing on how to enter these items. So here you just type the items. You have here I have typed mine, so you do yours as well. You have item, you have notebook. So this is what we'll be working with on our first train. So you have to just learn how to do all this. So here we'll have items. Okay, how many items now that you have students resuming in schools? So I want to talk about what we did in school. We have notebook. Okay, so how many quantity? 10 per each quantity. By each you have price of 250. So 250 times 10, you are still going to be doing that when you are doing the submission of all those things. The formula, we are still coming to that. So here, just want to learn on, we are working on it with sheet one. So we want to learn on how to save this information. How will you save? What you just need to just go to file. Yes, click on save. You have save. You click on save. Then you type your desired name to save it. Okay, I want to type Shola. So I want to type Shola and I have save. So once I save this now, I can easily use that next time. So you can see it has been saved. So you can come up here to see the save item. You have Shola save because I saved mine with Shola. So maybe for another time you want to open it, you don't know where it is located, just go back to where you have your file again. Then you click on open. So once you click on open, so you just click, you can see my own. I have Shola, you just click on Shola, so you have it being displayed. So that's how to open, close, to save a what and Excel, a workbook. So now I'm closing this, just click on this exporting here to close the information. So thank you and see you next class.